The field operations officer are far. How? Because my number is not an office number, but the office number is working 24/7. So when you call the office number 24/7, there's someone available to pick your call and attend to you. So we advise and encourage the public to take notice of this and save our numbers on their phones and be able to call us when there's an emergency. And please again, I beg the public to stay away from mob attack. When it happens that way, when you call us the next time, we are critical whether to attend the scene or not, because we're also having family that think about us. So please, this is a humble advice to the public against mob attack. Thank you.
Thank you very, very much, Mr. Derry Vitus. And our day advice a foot so Emma Obia Ghana phone. In fact, more fire service phone be drew on Beyo Majumana Adani Boxing Bonnie Adiano. Muncham Hui Pa Muncham Hui. It's any advice, Mr. Derry or a day Emamo. Now, somebody can operations departments and I know more Edijuma has said. Mr. Derry, sir. Me pese me be adwuma o operations department a ede ane de na mo be hwa ansa na mafa me o.
Well, you need to go through the normal body selection, the recruitment process, go to training. And when you come back from training, then we look at your fatigue, your physical appearance, then your IQ level before we put you in the operational department.
Okay, physical appearance.
Yeah, it should be.
What exactly are you looking for?
It should be strong enough.
Remember Mr. OMAR Kobia.
Yes, it should be strong enough because we can stand on our feet for 3 hours, 4 hours.
Oh, okay.
So if you are not strong enough, within the firefighting rescue, what can I say? What breasts are there? Then never nipono. Obe wanna say jano, ebeshi. So most of the men we have in the operational department are physically fit and strong. Mostly. About 99% are physically fit and strong in the operational department.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. And so, baby, Adri, send na maybe some Mr. For you know say or more tools and equipment baby e wa ha say no. Me pese on be share some of the things our mu yi si wa ha say na ye hu ni omo de adwuma ha nkasa. And so no yanko for break akra. Ye ba ye beto aso.
So let us remember that as Ghanaians, we are all involved in building a better Ghana. Yenina yeka ho ena o my Ghana ebe ko nanim. Wo ya wafamu de na yenso ya yafamu de na o my no akọ nanim. Tebio. Arise Ghana youth